Hi folks, I am Pal Tatir from O-Line-O India and I'm thrilled to talk to you about the latest device from Samsung. The all-new Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Welcome to the epic standard. The Galaxy S22 series is here to rewrite the rules of innovation and I will tell you the reasons why you should own it. Reason number 1. The epic display. The dynamic AMOLED 2x display improves outdoor visibility with up to 1750 nits in peak brightness. Also, the 120Hz adaptive refresh rate keeps the scroll smooth, adjusting to what's on screen for an optimized view. Reason number 2 is the epic S Pen. As you know, last year Samsung opened up a new window of possibilities by making the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra compatible with the S Pen. This year, it has taken another leap forward by introducing the first ever S series device which has a built-in S Pen. Write comfortably like a pen on paper. Turn quick notes into legible text and use air actions to control your phone remotely. Its AI-based point prediction software has also been extensively improved to better predict the next movement of the S Pen. One more important point. Both the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S Pen are IP68 rated and hence can resist water and dust even if you're taking post-cardio notes or you get caught in the rain. Reason number 3. Epic camera with Nightography. Our brightest innovation yet on the Galaxy S22's epic pro-grade camera is its nighttime videography. It is virtually impossible to shoot good videos at night without a tripod since most of the videos end up blurry. But not anymore. The S22 Ultra comes with a 23% larger pixel sensor, super clear lens and upgraded Super Night solution with which you can take smoother and clearer nighttime videos without any glare effect. However, what makes this device the greatest of all time is its pro-grade camera. All the lenses on the S22 Ultra can shoot in Pro mode. What's more that this device comes equipped with the Expert RAW app. Interesting, right? Experience and see this next level innovation personally. Reason number 4. The epic processor. Another thing that makes the Galaxy S22 series the greatest of all time is its latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 mobile processor. This is our first ever 4nm processor on a Galaxy. Our fastest ever. Wow! Along with our fastest processor, we also bring our latest and newest cooling solution. The vapor chamber in the Galaxy S22 Ultra allows it to rapidly disperse heat and effectively cool your phone. That's not all. With the Galaxy S22 series, we will extend OS upgrades to 4 years and security upgrades to 5 years, so you can continue to enjoy your Galaxy devices with the latest features even longer. Get ready to rewrite the rules with our all-new Galaxy S22 series, its epic features and noteworthy new look. I'm sure you can't wait to get your hands on these epic Galaxy S22 devices. Walk into any O-Line-O store in Mumbai, Bangalore and Nashik today and get your live demo experience. See you at the stores. Have an epic day.